Dirty trucking. I'm in the library. I'm back hearing this electronic harassment noise that I wasn't hearing until they got me a bed at the shelter. And the lady in there mentioned that the TV wasn't working right. It was on the wrong channel. So after she mentioned that, I started hearing the electronic harassment noise. Something with a TV and a channel. Now I'm in the library and I'm hearing the electronic harassment noise. And it started after the lady in the room mentioned how the TV wasn't working because somebody put it on the wrong channel. And she went and asked the staff, could he get it back on the right channel? And after she said that, I started hearing the electronic harassment noise. So, the TV is me. And there's something about a channel. Something about a TV and a channel. I hadn't heard electronic harassment at all while I was there until I got placed in a room where that TV was, and she mentioned about it being on the wrong channel. Now, I hear the noise. I'm in the library and hear the noise. And it didn't start until I got placed in that room where the TV was. That's where the noise is coming from.